The Dürr Oxi.X RL, the regenerative thermal oxidizer with a rotary valve. Dürr fabricates the Oxi.X RL in climate-controlled, strategically located fabrication facilities worldwide. A single rugged rotary valve is used, compared to numerous valves and actuators used on conventional tower-style RTOs. The single valve technology with metal-to-metal contact allows for optimal sealing, creating destruction efficiencies of 99% plus. All Oxi.X RL RTOs are skid-mounted, allowing for simpler, quicker installation. Now that the modular RL system has been assembled, it's ready to ship. The RL arrives on site, pre-piped and pre-wired with controls and components at grade for simpler operation and maintenance. Total time from arrival on site to installation, along with necessary system commissioning and training, is 2 weeks. The Oxi.X RL operates as efficiently and effectively as it is assembled. The RL's 12 separate ceramic media heat exchange beds are arranged radially over a single proprietary diverter valve. Contaminated process air is drawn upwards through 5 media beds which have been preheated. Air is heated as it rises, then enters the combustion chamber at the top, where any additional heat energy is added to complete oxidation. Hot, clean exhaust air is then drawn downwards through 5 adjacent ceramic beds to transfer heat before being exhausted to atmosphere. The 2 spare beds prevent cross-contamination between inlet and outlet to ensure the high destruction efficiency of the unit. The Dürr Oxi.X RL RTO.